few weeks ago I was driving home from work and there was a lawnmower sat outside this drive with a sticker on it saying free to collect. Bad news when I'm about. So stopped, picked it up, and this is what I've come up with. Whenever I find out like this, my missus goes all religious on me, because as I was taking it out of the car she says, "Oh God." Anyway, I got it in the workshop and I checked the engine over. It was too far gone to do anything with, so I thought I'd whip the engine out and see what we could come up with. After a bit of jiggery pokery, I managed to get the engine out. Flipped it over and gave it a good coat of looking at. As daft as this sounds, I thought if I remove all the cowlings and the casings and the exhaust to make it look more like an engine, and then make a lamp out on it. So I got it totally stripped, so it was just the engine casing. And then started cutting and filing all the brackets for the exhaust and the cowlings, as daft as it sounds, to make it look more like an engine. I've given it a good scrub. So that's how the engine used to go together. Well, all I'm going to do is twist that round and mount that on there. Something like that. Luckily enough, even with the cylinder head part of the engine flipped the wrong way up, the bolt holes still lined up, well, most of them anyway. So really all I had to do with them was make a L-shaped bracket to sit the lamp holder in. Once I drilled the holes, I bolted the L-shaped bracket to the cam cover and then sprayed the whole thing with aluminium paint. Me being a bit of a hoarder, I've always been a big believer in that'll come in handy one day. So I've got a big box of used cables and used light fittings. So I had a good rummage through that to find the cable and the fittings that I wanted. I found some cable and a light fitting that I wanted to use, but didn't quite fit on the pipe that I wanted to put the light fitting onto, so I had to use some epoxy. Then it was just a case of bolting it all back together and plugging it in. I picked a lampshade up from B&M Bargains in the UK. And there we have it, a little bit different, a bit quirky. The only cost in this was the lampshade, which was £2.99. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, do all the other nice things, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.